Hi, let's take one more very interesting question of this chapter. We have to draw Venn diagram for the following. First question is A intersection B when B is a subset of A. That means we have to draw Venn diagram using condition B is a subset of A, and then we have to shade the portion representing A intersection B. So we have to first draw Venn diagram and then we have to shade the portion representing A intersection B. It says that B is a subset of A. Now when we say that B is a subset of A, it means all elements of set B are present in set A. In terms of Venn diagram, B is included in A. That means we have to draw a circle representing A. Inside that we have to draw one more circle representing B. So we can say that circle B is included in circle A. It means B is a subset of A. Now, once we have constructed Venn diagram, once we have represented both set A and B using this condition, we need to shade the portion representing A intersection B. So what do we observe in this Venn diagram? That all elements of B are present in A, but all elements of A are not present in B. It means if we just try to understand what exactly do we mean by A intersection B, it is this circle represents A and this circle represents B. When we say intersection, that means we need to take common, and if we just observe A and B, common portion will be B only, right? So we write final statement that the shaded region in the Venn diagram represents A intersection B. That is nothing but we have to shade only B. That is a common portion of A and B. Now next question is, we have to draw Venn diagram for the following. Condition given is B is a subset of A and we have to shade the portion representing A union B. So first of all, using condition B is a subset of A, let's construct a Venn diagram. B is a subset of A means all elements of B are present in set A. In terms of Venn diagram, we say that B is included in A. So we are going to draw a circle for set A. Inside that we are going to draw one more smaller circle representing set B. We can see that B is a part of A. B is included in A. That means B is a subset of A. Now we have to represent that portion representing A union B. So if we just observe here, A means we are talking about this outer circle and B means we are talking about this inner circle. Now we know that all elements of B are present in A. Now if we just find A union B, A means this circle and B means this circle. Union means we have to consider both, so that is nothing but A, because if we shade A, automatically B comes under it. So we write a final statement. The complete shaded region in the Venn diagram represents A union B, and we have to just shade that circle A entirely.